LFG, what is up? What is up? I hope the audio is fine. I've been having some issues with my microphone. I hope everything's fine, but I'm sure that you audio police are gonna give me a lot of noise if everything is not working fine. So how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? It's been a wild ride since the last time that I went live a couple of days ago. Are we literally at all-time high right now? What the fuck? It was 75K the last time I checked. Okay, quick. I need to look at my portfolio. What is this? When did it start pumping? You can't even have dinner that Bitcoin goes to a new all-time high. I swear to God, I'm seeing this live. I haven't even seen this. 76K, holy shit. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. I want to see some of the alts. How are we doing? Again, I haven't looked in the last couple of hours, so this is new for me. So Ethereum looking strong, guys. Ethereum looking strong. The Ethereum chart was so ugly. And then we broke out of this. We kind of had this sort of like, wait. Yeah, it was kind of like this, the line that I was looking at. Oh my God, is Ethereum great again? I actually want to hear about this. Do you think that Ethereum is going to have like a proper run? Because so many people were upset about Ethereum. Well, Ethereum's strength and perhaps dominance is probably going to come back. So very good to see. We are approaching the $3,000 in Ethereum. And as a result, a lot of the plays that are on Ethereum right now, a lot of the meme coins that I have on Ethereum right now are pumping the results. So we also shouldn't neglect the Ethereum ETS and the fact that big institutions are accumulating Ethereum despite Vitalik was selling a few months ago. Everything else is looking bullish. So Ethereum is back. Ethereum is back. Ethereum today is pumping more than Solana, which is something that we haven't seen in months, probably since the entire summer. Solana approaching $200. Crazy. What's Sui doing? My bag of Sui is exploding, guys. Oh my God. 234. So Sui is also very close to the all-time high. I think that this is the biggest resistance level of Sui because this was the previous all-time high, right? So Sui is also at a crucial zone. Are we going to have a double top or we're going to break off the resistance? Interesting stuff here. Guys, I'm feeling even more bullish than when I was planning this live stream. Holy shit. All right, so in this live stream, I want to talk a lot about meme coins that I'm accumulating now, but obviously we're going to talk about a lot of things today. So I have my tab with the memes, and I also have the main tab, okay? So I still believe that we are in a very strong meme coin super cycle. Alts, whether, you know, in the utility sphere, are still not pumping as much as you would like them to be, because we're still finding ourselves in everything is about meme coins. Those are the first movers, and obviously some of the big caps like Sui, Avalanche, these ones are gonna move first and before the big utility projects. I still think that they are gonna move at some point. I think it's inevitable. But for now, obviously the attention span of people right now is obviously Bitcoin because that is the big mover of the market. But then it's gonna be a lot towards meme coins. So obviously, a lot of people are asking, should I buy all of these alts that you have here on the list right now? I mean, to be completely honest, if you want to like sleep good at night and you see that there are still very good prices in the market, I would perhaps buy some. I mean, if I look at something like Kaspa is still freaking cheap, like 12 cents. It still needs to break out. It still needs to really move. Sui, I wouldn't really buy Sui. I mean, we're sitting at all-time high. I think it's quite dumb to buy Sui right now. I was heavily buying... What was it? 170. 170 is probably the level that I bought the most of my Sui bag, and I'm very glad that I did. But other stuff, like obviously Min Layer was getting a lot of FUDs like the other day. SBS, the team is working. FUD is always going to be there for this kind of project. Other of my picks, like AI Tech, despite the pump of today, we're still at very cheap prices. So you can still make a lot of money with alts, and The thing is that obviously meme coins are gonna go and take more and more of the market share. People are gonna gravitate toward meme coins a lot as opposed to the normal utility alts. But still, if people wanna make a lot of money, I don't think it's a bad idea to like invest into memes right now. And then by taking the profits, if these alts, they are utility based, they still are at very good accumulation area to just DCA them in and then just, you know, go all the way up from there. I think that's pretty much what I would do. But anyway, who's up? Let me know how you guys feeling in the chat. Why be wrong when you want to be, when you can be right? So Rivestream still sits as a very good pick. I mean, the price section of Rivestream has been absolutely disappointing, and obviously it's a micro cap at this point. 2.79 million in market cap. I know the chart is looking awful right now. However, I know I have some good alpha about some marketing efforts that they're going to start. So right is probably going to be something to take a look at in the very near future. I don't have much to share right now, but rumor has it that they're working on their marketing and they're probably going to... I mean, listen, to all the people that are FUDing right or that FUDed right, look at this. This was the price on the 1st of January. It was 001. On the 31st of January, it went 60x. 60x from 001 to 06. That's a 60x in 30 days. In one full month, a 60x. So you cannot even imagine. People think that to do these kind of multipliers, altcoins needs to be in this growing area for fucking 3 years. No, that's not the way that it works for altcoins. Altcoins can change in a matter of a second. You see here, it's a 60x in a matter of 30 days. So you make the calculations of how much time an altcoin season really should last. An altcoin season can last 2 weeks for all that I care. And if you're still able to make 60x out of these picks overnight, people are still going to call you lucky, despite the fact that you accumulated this pick for 1.5 years or 2 years, like we've been doing in this channel. So people are going to call me lucky as soon as Right does another 60x or plus. People are going to call me lucky, believe it. But people don't understand that I was actually buying on these levels. It is what it is. This is crypto. It's another day in crypto, right? Cat is one of the top picks of meme coins that I have on Sui. Let's see how my bag is doing. I bought this ages ago. I wasn't even looking at the chart. Why is it not loading? All right. This is not the one. Why am I looking at Solana? Wait. It's not the one, obviously. 30 million. 30 mil. To be honest, I'm not that much in profit into this. But it could probably skyrocket. I mean, let's see the overall chart. I really like this project. I love the culture of this one. Chart is looking good. I remember that I bought somewhere, I think I bought here for the first time around 10 million. And then I bought very close to the bottom, maybe something like 7 million. So if I was to make the calculation, I'm probably 50% up on my ACAT. So still very early. It's just very, very early. The community is based. They're quite active. I like it. It's easily one of the top beams on Sui. I dig it. I dig it. As soon as it gets proper exchange listings, the community is already there. The hype is already there. I think it's one of the most memeable and recognizable meme coins on the Sui ecosystem. So I really dig it. I like it. LFG, what's up, Spark? Kendu base and Chedda Sol are going to explode. Yes. So let's have a very quick segment on these two meme coins if you missed the previous live stream as well. Because also some things have sort of changed. I don't know. I wouldn't say they have changed. But anyway, Kendu. Talking about Kendu. If you haven't watched my video, watch my video because I discussed what Kendu is and how the people that are behind this are actually the people that brought the big Ethereum project to life that went to 250 million in market cap during the, I think I can still call it bear market. And some of the people involved in the team, I've actually bonded with Shiba Inu. And this is not made up. It's not a joke. Now, price action. This chart overall looks very good. A couple of things to take notice of is that there was a whale here that offloaded yesterday and it caused a dump of around 20 to 30% immediately. But that was probably deserves the award of worst trader of wait, where's I lost the sound effect. Oh my, is this working? Anyways, that guy, I think he bought something. People maybe are gonna correct me in the chat, but from what I saw, it was something like he bought $30,000 and he sold 10,000. So he lost like 66% after buying something. Anyway, an idiot. That guy sold, and people were asking me, Cipro, what do you think? I mean, what's happening right now? I mean, that guy sold. The buying pressure is real, so you can actually see that the bounce back was not Fibonacci. So you can see that the bounce back was actually real, and the chart pumped back up 50% after the whale offloaded. And this is the kind of projects that you need to study because they have very solid buy pressure. Whenever a whale sells and clips out an amount of that size, the people, the investors, the community is ready to buy back. And this really testifies of whether a community is strong or not. So right now we might form something like a reverse head and shoulders if it pays out correctly, which is very bullish, or I also call it the satisfied phase. Has anybody never seen that? But anyway, it's looking good, guys. As I said, it's the same creator of the one on Ethereum. They did it once. Who's to say that they're not going to do it again? If anything, it's easier than something to be built from scratch, especially because the team is based. I'm not sure why the X profile is linking to one of the devs. I'm not sure why is that. Why don't they link directly to this? But anyway, how does this have only 500 followers here, by the way? Oh, Blaney posted about it? Didn't see that. There's a lot of YouTubers that are starting to cover this. I was the first one to make the videos. But anyway, shout out to all of these guys. That's good stuff. Oh, they even reposted mine? I didn't even see that. Okay, cool. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Didn't they tag me? Anyway, what a G. Appreciate it. Shout out to the team of Kendu for reposting my videos. Shout out to you guys. Absolute G's. Okay. And the other one is Chedda. We also need to talk about Chedda. Chedda is another project that actually was created on Ethereum. This time, though, it comes back to the previous bull market. Okay, it doesn't come to the run that we've had at the beginning of the year. It comes out of the previous bull market, and it was extremely bullish. This went to 3 billion. Billion with a B, all right? Went to 3 billion. I bought around 2 million. So I went to like something like a 4x, which is pretty good, right? I gotta say, is this the dip? Obviously, don't take anything that I say in this live stream as financial advice, but what I can say about this is that you're still buying a chart that is quite overbought. So if I just put the RSI, I mean, if we're talking about a daily time frame, I mean, 4 hour, maybe no, but if I'm looking still at the daily time frame, we're still very, very heavily overbought. So it's up to you if you really wanna. Why is this bugging so hard? It's up to you. So you can see here on the Fibonacci that is touching this line. It's up to you if you want to wait for a bigger retracement, to be honest. I'm not going to judge you if you want to start DCA now. As I said, full disclosure, I got an entry at 2 million and I took already out my initial. I'm just running on the house. And this is also one of the strategies that I recommend most people in my private group. Like 2-3x, take out your initial investment, and then you're running for free. It's just like you go to a casino and you're gambling with money that is being given by the house, all right? So things cannot go wrong because it's money that you have for free. You took out your initial investment. You took out the risk that you have in that investment. Listen, the community is based. They're bringing utility to the project. They have 10% of the supply locked in a multi-signature wallet. They're bringing their NFT collection with utility. I really love what they're doing. And they also got their own validator. So they are proper bonds with the Solana Foundation as well. Freaking huge, freaking huge. And one of the things that also makes me most bullish is that they have, they're doing daily spaces, and I've seen even some Web2 people that are quite famous in them. I've seen Scottie Pippen, I'm not even joking. Somebody on my Discord sent me an image that Scottie Pippen was in the live stream of Chedda. I don't know what to say anymore, but anyway. Bullish as fuck. Tell us more about Chedda, I just did. Where's blood? Right here, bro. Hamed. Hey, bro, just wanted to know your thoughts. Can Tectum, iTech, Alethio, and Blender... Your English needs fixing, but no judgment. I think that you're asking me if they can do a 50x in this bull run. Okay, let's just take your question very, very individually. So, can Tectum do a 50x? Tectum 50x at this point at $10. I don't want to say it's bearish, but it's extremely realistic. Anywhere between $400 and $600 Tectum in the very levels that I'm seeing right now is probably realistic. AI tech, bearish. Not bearish, realistic. Maybe like 3 to 5 billion, $3 to $5 as a result. 30 to 50x realistic, yeah. Perhaps even more. I would even expect 100x from here, and I'm not being a moon boyish because I just understand the potential of this. They have one of the best business models in crypto. There's very little to say about that. And if anything, I mean, they're still sitting on my top altcoins list. Nothing's changed right there. When it comes to Alethio 50x, Alethio is more of a wild card. I really like the ecosystem. I just think that they need some better marketing because they're not getting enough love from influencers. That is probably the only type of criticism that I can make to the project, because the project is freaking great. They just need better marketing. And when it comes to Blender 50x perhaps is a bit optimistic. I wouldn't say that it's going to do a 50x, but I think it's going to do still quite well. Yeah. Speedy, Tony, what is up? We're all very bullish on Speedy here. I'm sure that you are as well, as always. How's the chart of Speedy looking? Let's take a look. Very good level. 22 million. It's pretty good. Chart looking really nice. Chart looking really nice. Maybe it's going to do something like a double bottom and bounce. At the end of the day, Ethereum is showing strength. So all the projects that are on Ethereum, they're destined for success. So yeah, it seems like some people are selling. Idiots. This is actually such a good entry for Speedy, guys. I might buy that back after the live stream. My portfolio is 0. RIP, bro. Doing pretty well, bro. How are you? LFG. Marco Nuke, good to see you, man. Yeah, 76K Bitcoin is insane. Has it dropped? I hope not. I caught it live. Still there. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. 8% up in Bitcoin in the last week. Oh my God. Imagine something as big as Bitcoin going 8% in a week. How much money? Billions and billions. Ethereum 10K coded. So 10K would be a little over, yeah, 10K is coded. I mean, if you had told me like 20K, I would have been like, yeah, maybe not. But 10K, yeah, it's just a little over a 3x at the end of the day. How could it not be possible to achieve that? But yeah, the pump of this week is insane for sure. How much mean layer can do this bull cycle in 2025? Mean layer is a wild card. I mean, the price action has been quite bad, but with Bitcoin going to new highs, I think it's going to recover sooner than later. It was showing strength yesterday. Today it's dropping a little bit again. But we did some TA in the Discord of actually proper long-term thing, and I think it's looking good. They're also doing the airdrop, the second airdrop of Atomic Swap, which is the other token that is has been created by some of the people involved with the main team. Guys, I think it's just looking good, for sure. Did you fade grass? I don't remember what that is. Can you give me the CA? Oh, Peanut, I faded it. I'm sorry, I faded it. But yeah, congrats to you if you bought it. Congrats to you if you bought it. Great play. Great play. How's Tramania doing? I sold Tramania a long time ago, bro. It's CTO now because obviously the team members were scammers. It's CTO. So I wish all the best of luck to the people in the CTO. I know some of the people, but I'm not invested into it. It was a long time ago that I invested into it. Oh, we need to talk about Grogo. Grogo is another one of my top picks. Grogo is another one of the top memes. In the list of memes, Grogo was right at the top. Yet, did you guys still fade it? Did you guys still fade it, Grogo? Woo! Did you guys still fade this shit after I told you so many times to buy this? How many times did I tell you to buy Grogo? I brought you Grogo at 700k my VIP group. 4.5x. 4.5x. And people are still going to call me lucky. People are still going to call me lucky. After I bought it here, I endured a double top, a ranging forever, and a descending wedge that just didn't seem to finish. Today there was a flash out of the Jeets. And then all of a sudden, Grogo goes, what the fuck? Keeps pumping. What the fuck is this? 4x. What is this? What is this chart? What is this? I'm going to even elongate it. This happened in the last 3 hours. That's a 3.5x in the last 3 hours. Something that I told you weeks ago to accumulate. You know where you get my alerts? You know, in my VIP group. You would have just bought this. Say that you put 1K. You would have made 5K almost. You would have paid for 3 lifetime memberships. And I also am running a discount right now that you can get if you email me potato. Email me potato to the email address that you find in the video description. And then you can start finally making some money. And you get also access to my course, including my taking profit strategy, all the good stuff. Anyway, that being said, I hope to see you there in the VIP group so you actually stop fading these calls that can actually help you make life-changing money for auto people. I know some of the guys that I have in my VIP group that put 3K, 3 to 4K when they put when it was 700K. So let's say that you put 4K when it was 700K, you would have made almost $20,000 out of this play. And then people hate, right? That is literally life-changing money, by the way. Life-changing money, okay? Making 15K, for some people, it changes life. Changes lives. And it's freaking great. This is crazy. So I'm super happy about this. Congrats if you follow the call. If you didn't follow the call, join my VIP group so you stop fading these calls and you actually start making money, as opposed to the majority of people that just keep losing money in crypto. But what I can tell you is that do not buy now. It's not financial advice, but it's just common sense. If something has pumped 3.5x in the last 2 hours, you probably not buy it. Okay? Again, it's not financial advice. It's common sense. It's common fucking sense. I was telling my people to buy the dip today when we went to, what did we go to? 800? No, the week was at 700K again. I was telling my people to buy here. Don't buy now, okay? You become the extra liquidity of my VIP group if you buy now. So it's been transparent because I could be like the other YouTubers that just tell you buy now, pump my bags, Grogo goes to 10 million by tomorrow. The majority of other crypto YouTubers would tell you that, but I'm honest with you. If you buy now, you become my extra liquidity. So don't buy now. But join my VIP group so you can actually know what to buy before they have candles like this. And that's it. Baby Nero flying and frog on frog Solana. Baby Nero. Baby Nero, I've seen so many. What the fuck is this? Why is my deck screener tripping? Why is it telling me? I think my best deck screener is bugging. Hold on a minute. Yeah, it's kind of like... You see this guy? This guy made a shitload of money. He sold like 9K. Obviously, expect volatility and big sales. Okay, so Baby Nero. I've seen so many of this. Which one? They're very small caps. Give me the CA if you want me to see it. Fotos nunca antes vistas. What do you think of Based AI? I like it. I like the ecosystem. I like the integration of meme coin culture and AI. I like the connection between Based AI and Memecoin. But I am just scared that the project could be a little too niche for the majority of people. Because at the end of the day, yeah, Memecoin was even like before Pepe. Some people are saying that it was even from before Doge. It's just too niche for the majority of people. That is the only thing that really scares me about the project. Am I frozen? Fuck you now. Hold on a minute. Might be frozen. Okay, I think I'm not. My computer is acting funny today. Anyway, I do like it, but I'm just afraid that it could be too niche. That's the only thing. I like the project though. I don't hold that in my portfolio though. Can you share with us which platform you can recommend to trade crypto and meme coins? It's so funny that people still ask me, no hate, I'm going to tell you everything, but I say this pretty much every video, but I'm going to keep repeating because people still ask me. Okay, so when it comes to meme coins, I use BullX, okay? I do every single fucking trade on BullX. This is a trading bot and a decentralized exchange. With my link that I have down in the description, or it's bullx.io, like you see it right there. You get access immediately and you have 10% off trading fees forever. I'm a partner of BullX and I'm proudly partner of this company. They're amazing, okay? My link is everywhere, bullx.io/Cipro. You get instant access, you can trade meme coins. So I do Solana trades, I do Ethereum trades, I do Base trades, I do BNB trades. Everything, every token, if it's on those chains, you can do it on BullX. For Sui, I just use the normal DEXs for Sui because Sui is not supported on BullX, but probably it's going to be supported in the future. You've heard it right. Probably, possibly, potentially. Who knows? We'll see about that. And then, if I'm talking about futures, my futures trades, I use CoinW and BitGet. By the way, I'm rocking a t-shirt of BitGet. Can you guys see it? So shout out to the BitGet teams because they're also like G's, absolute G's. So with BitGet, I like to actually use BitGet because they have a lot of good opportunities for staking and for earning rewards for just leaving your money there and getting passive income. So this is why I like it. And also they kind of list pretty much every project that Maxi does, but obviously BitGet has proof of reserves. They are a very safe and regulated centralized exchange. And you can get a fantastic offer with my link down in the description. However, it requires KYC. So if you're based in the US or Canada, you're probably not going to be able to use BitGet, but you should use CoinW, which is my other exchange that I'm using on a daily basis. And this is non-KYC, so you can use it anywhere in the world. And also with CoinW, I have a massive offer that if you register with the link down below, and then you click on the CoinW group that I have down in the description as well, you get access for free to my futures trading signals group. That is absolutely free. You just got to register to my link and deposit $100 to begin with to just leave in your account. And then you get access to my futures trading group for free. So these are all the platforms that I'm using at the moment. I also use Bybit a little for sometimes. I use Maxi every once in a while. But my main exchanges, CoinW and BitGet, and my main DEX for meme coins is BullX. Every meme coin trades I'm gonna do on BullX, okay? Every meme coin that I trade is on BullX, and everything else is on CoinW or BitGet, okay? Those are all that you need. Every link is down in the description, as always. I got you guys. The volume on Wolf of Ethereum passed 5 million. It will be listed on 4 tier 1 exchanges. I mean, 4 tier 1 exchanges, when? Like, that is a bit moonboyish. I hope it does. I think it's a very solid project, but like this, you're just pumping your bags a little much. Sorry, bro. But I do believe it's good. I actually have it in the list here, right? Oh, funny. Yeah, it's in the good ones. If you guys give me some new memes, you guys in the live chat, give me some new memes, and we're gonna update the list. We're gonna add one, perhaps, you know, we're gonna make some new entries. I don't have enough bad memes to put here. I wanna add more memes to the bad section. Hit me up. Hit it. Can Omini do 100x? Omini? The fuck is that? Bro, I don't even know what that is. Guys, when you have like weird projects, weird CAs, give me a CA. Don't be lazy. What do you think about Nomi, Matt Fury character? I think this project is quite dead. Bro, it's dead. It's 35k. Like, look at this chart. What the hell is this, bro?
You are fake news.
Like, what is this chart, man? It's awful. Absolutely dead. Why is my deck screener active funny? Do you guys see that? Like, the cursor is like in another place. I don't know what's going on. Grogo LFG, man. What do you think about Mao and Ethereum? There's too many. I'm not sure which one it is, bro. Guys, give me some CAs. Like, they have the same stuff. LFG, man. LF fucking G. T, what happy Wednesday to you, my friend. Is it Wednesday? It's Thursday. The fuck? Stupid. I was tripping for a second. You got me confused. I already escaped the Matrix, so I really don't have to go to an office and stuff. So, and if people also tell me fake news, oh my God.
You are fake news.
What do you think about Mondo? Oh my God, deck screener, get a grip. $1 million. Oh my God, I hate the screener today, guys. It's so bugged. It's been out for a week. I mean, the fact that a meme is out for a week and it's not dead yet, it's actually a good point. Mondo is a community token. That's very good engagement. I'm surprised that it's not really followed by a lot of people that I follow. Just one guy. That's a small penis. I don't know. I have to study the... I need to study this thing. I don't know. It's weird. It's a bit weird, bro. Just laughing, my friend. Rocky, I think you don't understand this concept. So if I buy a meme, I could even buy a meme and sell it within a couple hours, perhaps even a couple minutes. It's not. Don't think that every kind of trade that I do is a long-term hold. The projects that I do long-term holds, they're very, very few, okay? And also, just because I have a list that is so big, I nowhere near have all the memes that you can see on this list. Absolutely not, okay? I have some of these, I have the top ones and some of the good ones, but that's it, Okay, and a lot of memes that I trade, that I do degen signals in my Discord, they're just very quick, like in and out trades, and I'm gonna hold them for a few hours, whatever. We make profits, and then we move on to the next thing. And then you stack up your money, and then you invest the profits into long-term bags. You make a 2-3x there. You cash it out. You make a 2-3x, and then a 10x by investing into layer 1 after that. It's not that you need to buy every single meme, so you need to understand what the real strategy entails, okay? Based AI 30 to 50x, yeah, I think it's very reasonable numbers, yes. OP and Speedy, I'm absolutely bullish on both of them, and in fact, you can see that they're both sitting into my top memes list. They're all right there. Yeah, Fluffy, I mean, I'm still bullish on Fluffy. Nothing really changed. I think that people just are impatient and they move to the next thing over and over again. But I am so bullish on Fluffy. Fluffy's great. 200k market cap. Unfortunately, it didn't pump when I thought it would pump, but I think that the bottom was in. The bottom was in clearly. So the bottom was 160k. It's already bouncing back. As soon as the volume really picks up, and you will see, like, Matt Fury low caps were not really pumping because a lot of people were just focused on the overall market because of uncertainty. So the very small caps were not really pumping all that much. But I think that their time is going to come sooner than later. And if you get an entry into Fluffy right now, you really are getting a fantastic entry into this project. So I wouldn't hesitate buying some right now. I'm already heavily invested into that. And I have a very big bag, okay? Especially for the kind of market cap that it has. So I'm not going to buy more. But if you're not loaded up on Fluffy, you're probably making a big mistake. Because people are going to FOMO back at the top again. Just like they did with Grogo, they're going to do exactly the same thing with Fluffy. People are going to just FOMO at the top. It's fucking it. It's crazy. So you guys need to be smarter. You need to buy here. Again, if you are in my VIP group, you know what I'm buying right now that is going to have the Grogo effect. Because there's going to be at least 5 or 6 other projects that we're investing into my VIP group right now. They're going to do exactly what Grogo is doing. Also because it's the same people behind them. It's the teams. And I know these people. I know the teams. I know that they're going to send projects. I trust the process. So yes. Bullish. Bullish as fuck. Agent... What? There's no way this is a meme coin. Or you're asking about agent layer. The fuck is this? Oh my god, that screen is so buggy. Agent layer, I'm not sure if you're asking about agent layer, but agent layer, I'm making good money with agent layer as well. I think I'm 2x on my DCA. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. If you're smart enough, you would have bought nodes ages ago. I'm not sure if you're asking about that, but it's something that I traded last week. So trade has gone very good. Of course, because I'm a G. What can you say about MAGA? MAGA, obviously, sell the news event. Because MAGA is something that was on an election slogan. And after the election, regardless of the outcome, people are going to dump it. I think the long term is still bullish. I think we're going to have another run of MAGA in preparation of when Trump actually takes over the White House again. So that is going to happen in January. So in January, it's probably going to crash again and perhaps go to zero. But I think we're going to see a massive run up December, late December, early January, something like that. You guys need to front run trends. It's very important. What is the contract address for Fluffy? I'm not sure why you can see the contra address of Fluffy. You just, oh my god, that screen is shit. You just type Fluffy and it's the first result. So I'm not sure why you can't find it. But the contra address starts with 0xF1F. 0xF1F. Pretty good contra address, if you ask me. And why I'm so bullish on it, it's the only cat of Mad Fury, okay? It's Friends of Pepe, which is the other frog of the book Mind Viscosity. Mind Viscosity is another, like, big, okay? Big project. Book by Mad Fury. Guys, pretty bullish. What can I say? It's the only cat. People are bullish on cats and dogs. Why would you not buy it? Are you a dog or a cat person? I'm a cat person. LFG. Used car. That was kind of an old trade. I would focus on the newer things, my friend. I don't think it's a bad project, though. It was actually quite funny, but I'd rather focus on new things, if you know what I mean. Wicked. Let's see. First look. $1.2 million. When was this launched? A month old. This chart never really corrected. It was very hard for me to recommend to buy this. What's the volume like? 50K for 1.2 mil. That's quite small. Trading volume is not that great, and it seems like it's also decreasing. I also look at, you see here that the volume is kind of like decreasing. So that is usually not a good sign, because you want, if you see it like selling pressure, you want volume to pick up so that you actually experience a reversal. So these are not very good indicators that I like to see at a first glance. Obviously, never say never. It is funny. I like the website. Fuck, it just directs to the website. I think it's funny. I actually genuinely think it's funny. I don't know, though. It's quite niche. There's not a lot of volume. If they make a video of me doing live streams with these glasses, I can guarantee, you have my word. You have my word that I'm going to get a bag. But for now, I think I'm going to fade on this. Nah, fade. Fade. I'm going to say it's okay, though. Like, it's not awful. Could pump. Goes there. Chain GPU. Do you mean Chain GPT? Because I've never heard of a Chain GPU. I think you're talking about Chain GPT. Where he talked about MAGA. Pedro, I think you're talking about Suiman, not Suimon. I think you're talking about Suiman. Is crazy down? I don't know. What? Why is it dumping so much? Sui is also performing well, so it's kind of unusual to see this project underperform, because Sui is doing well. So maybe there's something sketchy going on. I don't know. I haven't really followed. I don't hold it at the moment. I traded it, but I don't know. I would do my own research, which I haven't done because I have no idea why it's dumping so much. But the price action, it doesn't really make me confident. Is right a good buy? I think so, yeah. I've talked about it at the beginning of the live stream. Maybe rewind after I'm done. Tectum, we are bullish on Tectum, my friend. I've heavily accumulated Tectum in the last few months, and I'm ready to see it have a god candle like Grogo did. It will. It will go to hundreds of dollars, and we're all gonna be very, very happy. Oh, Pedro was talking about Sui Monsters, not Sui Man. Sui Man was also really dumping. Okay, Sui Monsters. I haven't seen this one. Suimon. Bro, it's 36. Bruh, this is basically rugged. Come on, dude. Bro, it went to 200k to 30k. That's almost a rug. Come on, this is dead. Fuck that, man. Mudang. I think Mudang had its era. I don't know. I wouldn't trade it. Look at Albert the Alien. You guys have a lot of... You guys hit me with the alpha today. Albert the Alien. Not Albert the Alligator. Albert the Alien. Fuck me. 28k. Guys, what's this degeneracy? Degeneracy? Is that the word? Yeah. Why are you guys shilling me projects that are 28k? I'm not gonna buy this shit. Stupid. If I tell people that I'm buying something when it's 28k on a public YouTube live stream, everybody's gonna ape. I'm not gonna do that. I also think Brat on base will move once more users gets on Coinbase. I mean, I think you're being a bit like optimistic. Like, dude, like it's one thing if you say about Brat, but Brat is obviously a very, very small piece of the pie. What I can tell you is that I'm going to release a video on Brat very, very soon, probably in the next few days, could be as early as tomorrow. There's massive updates when it comes to Brat. So actually, I hate that screener. Oh my God. Let's see if I reload it and actually behaves like okay, maybe it's working again now. So, Brat. So I'm sure that most people are familiar with Brat. Again, I don't want to spend the entire live stream bragging, but I bought this when it was 100k, and I brought this when it was 100k. We did a 10x already on this. Okay? I needed to say it. It's freaking huge. Now, this project followed a very massive rebranding. Okay? So it went from a child to a teenager, and there's a big storyline that is being developed by this project, which is very bullish, right? So, the meme arcade, they actually delayed it. It was supposed to be out today, but they delayed to, I'm not sure where. But this is a video game into the vibe of Street Fighter. Okay, it's gonna be launched on November 13th, and there's gonna be several characters that are gonna be available to play. So there's gonna be Brat, there's gonna be Grogo, there's gonna be Fofar, Draghi. So all of these characters are going to be available in this video game, which means that all of these communities are going to come and join forces. They're going to come and work together, which makes me really bullish because obviously the Brat community is going to fall into the Grogo and vice versa, and the Fofar. Fofar obviously has been one of the most established ones in the among the CTOs of the Furyverse, as they like to call it. So I think that there's very good things coming for Brat. Yeah, like just very good things coming. They have massive updates. The art is great. The community is based. Shout out to their community. One of the first base the first Brat is going to be the first base project to be listed on ToadSwap. So it's breaking the records everywhere. And I said it. It's freaking huge. That's good stuff to see. They're really working behind the scenes. So I love what they're doing, guys. I love what these guys are doing. Very, very excited. Very, very excited. So, yeah, I mean, Definitely something that I would buy. Definitely something that I would buy. Oh, I bought it already. Of course I did. 100K. Don't fade Speedy. I am not fading Speedy. I've talked about it earlier. What market cap of Nairo? I don't feel confident making a price prediction. So I'm not sure which one you're talking about, if you're talking about the Cabal one or the CTO one. The CTO one is good. The Cabal one is trash. It's all power to the community. Wherever the community wants to take it. That's the answer that you're going to get. Because I have no idea. It was not expected that it would go to this highs, that it would list on Binance. I think it was the first community project, the first community meme coin to really be listed on Binance, the first CTO to be listed on Binance. So it's a huge goal that they already achieved. And I think they over-delivered already. And as a result, I just would avoid, despite the fact that it's good. I just don't see it. $10 degen play. $10, depending on your country, you can get a cheeseburger and fries at McDonald's. I'm bullish on Kendu and Chedda, Ponke, Hopping Turbo. You're pretty much bullish on all the picks that I'm bullish on, so well done to you, bro. Good stuff. Good stuff that you got right there. Okay, guys, I'm going to quit the live stream just because I need to go live with my private community. So maybe you're still in time if you join my Discord right now. You're going to be able to join the VIP live stream, which I'm going to declare the next steps for the Furyverse and the new memes that I'm aping on before they have god candles like Grogo. There's still an offer, as I said, on lifetime membership. I've extended it for another week. It's not going to be done again. Email me, potato, and I'm going to give you the discount on lifetime membership, okay? Just email me that if you want to get in with a discount. And also, on the way out, guys, don't forget to drop a like. I'm doing these live streams for free. All this alpha that I'm communicating to you back at you for free. The least that you can do is drop a like. It really helps me out tremendously. It pushes my channel, my live streams, and all the good stuff. I thank you so much, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.